How to download Bingo Blitz on the iPhone. If you want to play the Bingo Blitz and wondering on how to download or install on your iPhone, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open your App Store, just like this. After opening it, tap onto the search button at the bottom right here. Then tap onto search bar and type Bingo Blitz, just like this, and tap on it. Now here you can find Bingo Blitz just right here. Now tap on it. Then to download it, simply tap on to get button right here. Now tap on it. Now double click to install it, just like this. And now wait for a few minutes and your app will be downloaded. Now you can see it has been downloaded. Now to open it, simply tap on to open right here. You can also find the app on your home screen, just like this. And that's it. This is how you can download the Bingo Blitz on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.